Hi friends, I am Jaya. According to GIC syllabus, we have completed here Geoffrey Chaucer, William Shakespeare, John Milton, John Dryden, Alexander Pope, William Wordsworth, P.B. Shelley, John Keats, Tennyson, Matthew Arnold, Charles Dickens, Thomas Hardy, Yeats, T.S. Eliot, George Bernard Shaw, George Orwell, Raja Rao, Mulk Raj Anand, Nizam Iskil, Robert Frost, Ernest Hemingway, and now today we will study about Harold Pinter. So let's get started. Harold Pinter was one of the most renowned dramatists of the 20th century, esteemed for his inventiveness, originality, and formal innovation. His work is so influential that his name has been used to explain certain settings or situations. The Pinter pause concerns relying on unsaid things to convey characters, motivations, or personalities, and the Pinteresque refers to an inconclusive end to a comedy of subtle menace and absurdity. His work was influenced by Samuel Beckett, whom Harold Bloom identified as Pinter's ego ideal. Pinter was born in East London in 1930 to a Jewish tailor and had a working class upbringing. Pinter's experiences during World War II, such as the Blitz and relocation, informed his work. At the Hackney Downs Grammar School, he excelled at sports and took up acting for the first time. After school ended, he took some odd jobs and managed to get out of the war by declaring himself a conscientious objector. This did not entirely work, but a judge fined him instead of imprisoning him for refusing to go. In 1949, inspired by the works of Beckett, he published his first poems under the pen name Harold Pinter. He studied acting at the Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts and the Central School of Speech and Drama, and began touring Ireland with a Shakespeare company and working in provincial repertory theatres in England. Pinter wrote his first play, The Room, in 1957. It features many motifs that would be common in his oeuvre, including a situation that seems quotidian but is charged with ambiguity and menace. It was reviewed favorably and was mounted by the drama department of Bristol University. Pinter then went on to The Birthday Party, a play of muted anxiety and tension that bordered on the theatre of the absurd. In 1957, on the same day that his son Daniel was born, Pinter was paid £50 for the play, which was soon produced at Cambridge Arts Theatre to critical success. The play bombed during its London debut a few months later. Despite that failure, The Birthday Party remains one of Pinter's most successful full-length plays, and it is considered the first of his comedy of menace pieces. The Caretaker 1960 was Pinter's second full-length play and a resounding critical and commercial success, a fusion of the realistic and the symbolic. It led to his third play, The Homecoming, which was full of energy and power. In 1966, he was made a commander of the Order of the British Empire. Pinter also wrote plays in the 1970s, though his earlier works were more than enough to cement his reputation. This decade saw Old Times 1970, No Man's Land 1975, and Betrayal 1978. Pinter was the associate director for Britain's National Theatre. In the 1980s to 2000s, Pinter continued to compose plays but also tried his hand at poetry, screenwriting, and directing. He explained that he wanted to look at politics at the end of his life, and he remarked that his 29 plays were enough. In 2005, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature. Pinter was married twice. He died on December 24th, 2008 of liver cancer. The lights of Broadway and of West End were dimmed in tribute to him. In 2011, the Comedy Theatre on Panton Street in the West End was renamed the Harold Pinter Theatre. Harold Pinter was a British playwright, screenwriter, director and actor, a Nobel Prize winner. Pinter was one of the most influential modern British dramatists with a writing career that spanned more than 50 years. Born on 10 October 1930, died on 24 December 2008. His books, plays, complete works, The Dwarfs, Room, and The Dumb Waiter, Various Voices, many more. Movies: The Servant, Accident, The Go-Between, The French Lieutenant Woman. हेरोल्ड पिंटर एक नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेता ब्रिटिश नाटककार, पटकथा, लेखक, निर्देशक और अभिनेता थे। सबसे प्रभावशाली आधुनिक ब्रिटिश नाटककारों में से एक। उनके लेखन करियर में 50 से अधिक वर्षों का समय था। हेरोल्ड पिंटर एक नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेता ब्रिटिश नाटककार, पटकथा, लेखक, निर्देशक और अभिनेता थे। सबसे प्रभावशाली आधुनिक ब्रिटिश नाटककारों में से एक। उनके लेखन करियर में 50 से अधिक वर्षों का समय था। उनके सबसे प्रसिद्ध नाटकों में द बर्थडे पार्टी, द होम कमिंग, बैटरल शामिल हैं, जिनमें से प्रत्येक को उन्होंने स्क्रीन के लिए अनुकूलित किया। दूसरे के कार्यों के उनके पटकथा रूपांतरण में द सर्वेंट, द गो विच, द फ्रेंच लेफ्टिनेंट वुमेन, द ट्रायल और स्लीच शामिल हैं। उन्होंने अपने और दूसरों के कामों के लिए रेडियो, स्टेज, टेलीविज़न और फिल्मी प्रस्तुतियों का निर्देशन या अभिनय भी किया। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये वीडियो हेरोल्ड पिंटर के लिए था जो कि पूरा हुआ। अब हम लोग मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन टेक केयर, गुड बाय, कीप स्माइलिंग एंड be blessed. Bye bye. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care friends.